Is that him? Is that him? Is this it? Is this everything we've been waiting for? Oh, it's not! Oh, you tease. You dirty, dirty tease. I knew it! And you brought me water? I knew you'd come back for me. Yo, they be running fast as shit. What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back again with another pickup. Today is a special day, special day. I say that for multiple reasons. One of the main reasons is we only do have a special pickup that's pretty limited, and I actually got a pair. It's also special because I'm feeling better. Like a lot of people don't know this, I actually had COVID about a week and a half ago. So I'm feeling like me right now. So I'm like 100% right now. Actually, I'm like 97. I don't have a haircut. I'm not quite as fresh as I want to be. But yeah, so I already went through, I think it was two weeks. It'd be Thursday, it'd be 2 weeks. So I'm good. I survived, I made it. Be safe, wear your mask, always do that. Nothing about the sad stuff. Let's get back to the good stuff. That's where we are right now. So today's pickup, we got a pair of Yeezy 700 Boost. If you guys noticed on the last video, I had a pair of 700s, they won't boost. These are actually Boost right here. See that? So these are none other than the Yeezy Suns. And I am excited about these for multiple reasons. One, because this is probably one of the few shoes that I saw and I was like, if I get them, I get them. If I don't, I don't. But these actually grew on me. These right here, man. So, these are, of course, the 700 V1. I guess you can call it V1 because there's several variations that came out. These are the 700 V1 Boost Yeezys. So one of the things about these shoes that stand out, aside from the 3M that's right here, and the 3M that's right here, and then the 3M that's right here, and then the 3M that's right here, is that these are actually, what's the word I want to use? Not sample. This color inspiration. This colorway is partially inspired by the OG colorway. I say that because you have the orange that was in the Wave Runners. You have the hints of the blues that was in the Wave Runner. And then you have the black right here in the exact same spots as the Wave Runners. So aside from that, these are a completely different shoe. These right here are the Sun colorway. Now you have bright yellow upper mesh as well as yellow throughout this shoe of the top half. See what I mean? Throughout the top half. In addition to what's inside here that's yellow, you also have some branding of the Yeezy, which of course is yellow as well. See if I can get you guys to see that. You see that Yeezy right there? And then you have a Yeezy right here. You got Adidas right there. And these of course are Ortholite soles. So you guys see the Ortholite right there. That focuses in. And then, like I said, these are Boost, and one way to check for sure if you have a Boost pair is if you pull this back and you look inside, about the size of a nickel is a little hole outsert cutting, and that is the actual part where you can feel and touch and feel the Boost. Now there are some people that wear their Boost without the soles just so they can actually feel the Boost on their feet more so than this. I haven't tried it simply because I'm a little nervous. I don't know if I like it. And if I do like it, what I'm going to do with all these soles? So I think one day I may try it, but just not quite yet. If you do that, put in the comments, tell me what you think, if you like it better without the sole. But let's get back to the details of the shoe. So we have the bright yellow uppers. Like I said, that's mesh as well as leather. And in addition to that, you have the suede black, which is right here. And then on top of that, you have a couple overlays of teal, which is these colors right here. And then you have these gray laces. Now, from the pictures, I did not know these were gray laces. I thought these were white laces. And that doesn't take away from the shoe at all. I actually like that they are gray simply because it goes with the 3M reflective accents throughout the whole shoe. And I say throughout the whole shoe, I mean even right here, there's 3M. And then even right here, there's 3M. And there's 3M right here. Now I have the flash on my camera, so it's a little bit easier to see. Now if you wore these in the sun, of course you would see these, but if you wore these and I say as the sun's going down, probably wouldn't be as noticeable. Now, one thing I did not notice until I got these in hand is this orange right here that's around the boost. Now I noticed it was orange. Now let me see if I can focus in on this. I did not notice that it's a fade of orange. So if you look right here, it gets dark, and then it gets light, and then it gets dark again, and then it gets light. That is pretty cool, and that's throughout the whole shoe. So it's not just a basic orange that's just put on the shoe. So, like I said, bright orange boost midsole right here, 3M detailing, suede yellow, leather yellow, black suede as well. Well, I'm sorry, black. Did I say black yellow? Is that what I say? Just to know what I just said. Let's just go back again. Let's see. This is suede, and this is leather, and this is the mesh. And then right here, boost, of course. The traction on this shoe is pretty good. I wore these casually. I don't know if you want to run in these. I don't know if you want to climb a mountain in these or nothing like that. But if you do want to walk casually in comfort, these are definitely the shoes you want to get. So, like I said, these are the 700 boosts. Definitely get your pair if you can. These are a size 10. I usually wear a 10, 10 and a half. I couldn't get my hands on a 10 and a half. I got these in a 10. Still feel great. But I definitely recommend, if you can try a pair on, try a pair on. If you can't, go at least a half a size up. So overall, man, this is a great buy. Got these for $240. These usually retail for $300, but this particular colorway was resale for $240, which I think is a good steal. So, and I think right now the resale on these is plus $400, maybe $450, depending on what size you wear. So if you can get a pair of these early for resale, definitely do that.